Today I'm going to be doing a video for you guys on how to find a sale price if something is discounted a certain percent. I'm going to be doing the first problem using our ratio is over of equals percent over 100. And then problems 2 and 3, I'm going to be doing the problem by just using multiplication. So this is actually a several step problem. So if you want to use our ratio is over of equals percent over 100, then step 1 is going to be rewriting our problem. We are going to put this in terms of percent of the price. So in this case, we are buying a bike that's $275 and it's on sale for 30% off. I'm going to move my webcam just a little. That might make it a little bit better. All right, so this would be my percent is 30% of equals. All right, this is where you're going to probably need a calculator. Use the calculator on your phone if you need to. So 275 times 30, and that gives me 82.50. All right, yep, 82.50. All right, then step 3, divide. To solve this equation, you need to divide by 100. Whoops, that was not 82.50. That was 8,250. There we go. That's better. So 8,250 divided by 100. And then that gives me X equals, so again, if you need to, take your calculator, divide that by 100. All it's going to do is move your decimal point 2 places to the left. So now we get 82.5 or 82.50. Since we are working with money, we need 2 decimal places. And then step 4, subtract. Take your original price, 275, subtract away your answer from step 3. So again, if you want, take your calculator, all right, 275 minus 82.50, and we get $192.50. And so this is our final answer. So if you want to use your percent ratio, is over of equals percent over 100, these would be the 4 steps that you would need to use. All right, questions there? All right, then, if you need to, pause right here, get this written down. If you want to have some examples to look at when you're doing assignment number 7. All right, so this time I think we'll buy a lamp. And let's say that lamp cost us $83.45, and it is going to be discounted 45%. All right, so this time I'm going to use just multiplying in order to find my amount of discount and then my final price. So my discount is 45%. So step one, change percent to decimal. You are going to be moving your point 2 places to the left. So in other words, 45%, my decimal is right there. And then when I move it 2 places to the left, it's now going to be out here. So that gives me 0.45. Okay. Step 2. Multiply price times decimal. In other words, your answer from up here. So we are going to take our price, 83.45 times 0.45. All right, so once again, this is where you'd want to grab calculator on your cell phone, all right, or if you have a regular calculator. So 83.45 times 0.45 is, can you guys see this? Okay. So 37.5525. All right. 37.5525. But keep in mind that money ends after 2 decimal places. So you're going to need to round this up. So you're going to ask yourself, what's that 2 going to do to that 5? What's going to leave it the same? So this will equal 37.55. Remember, when you're rounding, you only bump this up if this number behind it is a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Okay. So I didn't even need to worry with that number. I could have just eliminated that number. I didn't need it for rounding. All right. Step 3. Subtract price minus answer from step 2. Okay, so we are going to take our original price, 83.45, subtract. This is how much money they're going to take off the price of the lamp. 37.55. All right, so once again, calculator, 83.45 minus 37.55. And that leaves me with a price of $45.90. Gonna have to add a 0. So final price, $43.90. So I imagine most of you are going to use this method. You use whatever method you want. I'm going to do one more problem using this method. All right, so let's see. We don't need that. I don't need this. I don't need this. And then all of this. All right, since most of us right now are online, you guys are probably using either your Chromebooks from school, you have your own laptop, you might have a desktop computer that you had at your house. So we are going to buy a laptop. My son had to do this so he could do his distance learning for his students. He had to go out and buy a new Surface Pro. And he paid for his Surface right around $1,250. So that's what we're going to do. Now, he did not get a discount. We are that good. We're going to get a discount. So 25%. All right. So if you remember, the first thing that you are going to do is you are going to change your percent to a decimal. Can you all hear my cat? She's joined us. She's not learning anything. She's over there crying for some reason. So 25%. Remember your decimal point's right here. So move it 2 places left. So this gives me 0.25. Okay. Step 2, multiply your price, 1,250. Since it ends in 0.00, you can drop those zeros, times our decimal, 0.25. All right, so here we go. 1,250 times 0.25. We're going to save $31.25. It looks, nope, sorry. I read the decimal in the wrong place. $312.50. That's better. So this equals $312.50. Step 3, take your original price, 1,250, and I'm going to put the zeros in, minus 312.50. All right, so here we go. Take 1,250. Whoopsie, typing wrong. 1,250 minus 312.50. And so we're going to pay, $937.50, it looks like. All right. So I hope this helps you guys do assignment number 7. That's what this is for. Stay safe, stay well, stay healthy. Okay. Even if we don't get back to school, you guys need to stay safe and well. Say your prayers for the Butler family that used to own Butler's Farm Market. They lost their mom yesterday, a very dear friend of mine from childhood. We grew up together. And so please say your prayers for that family. You all have a good day. Bye-bye.